It's 12 minus 6 times 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will be equal to 6, and 12 minus 6, it is also equal to 6. And here is multiplication. 6 times 6, it will be calculated. Then we have answer 36. But remember that it is incorrect because we have not followed any order of operation. Like dmas or bodmas or PEMDAS, so we have to solve it again and calculate the value of again. Question is 12 minus 6 times 12 minus 6. Now, what is the mistake we have done in the previous method and get answer 36? It's because we have not solved multiplication first. According to PEMDAS, we have to solve multiplication first. So 12 as it is, minus as it is, this minus 6 as it is. And what will be the answer of this portion? It will be 72 minus 72. Okay, now 12 to minus 72, it will be equal to minus 60. And here is minus 6. When we calculate that value, minus 60 minus 6, we have to add them. We will get minus 66, which will be our final answer. In the previous case, our answer was 36, in which we got a trap, and 12 minus 6, well, minus 6. 6 times 6 will be equal to 36. That was a mistake because we have not followed the order of operation. When we have to follow the order of operation, we will get minus 6 as answer. Thank you.